Hi guys, this is Bhupinder. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to replace your battery on your Samsung S6 Galaxy. It's not easy, let me tell you. Replacing your battery is not easy on your Samsung. But I'll go ahead and I will show you what you need and how you can do it. So you need a hair dryer, something like this. Hair dryer, this is what I will be using. You need to have a proper screwdriver. Let me emphasize, proper screwdriver is a mandatory thing here. And its size needs to be PH 000, 3 zeros. This for opening it, guitars, bits, I don't know what you call it. You got to have a couple of them. One is okay, it's possible. Spare battery to replace it with, obviously. And a suction cup. And you need a pin. You need pin so that you will remove. Your SIM card. So first, before even going on and start messing around with your phone, you need to open your SIM card casing. This needs to come out. The whole thing needs to come out. Okay? This thing needs to come out. I can't emphasize how much important it is that this should come out. So before we start the process of dismantling the phone, let me tell you, any damage caused to your phone is totally your own responsibility. Get an idea of how difficult it can be opening your phone and show you how you can do it. But there is quite a big risk that your phone can break. So comfortable technically, you better go to a repair shop and maybe let them try. But even if they try, they will say the same, that they can give it a try, and if it breaks, it's not their responsibility. And who knows, they can try and they can even break it. So, but still, they are more experienced, so you better go with them then if you don't feel comfortable. Let's go ahead and start dismantling the phone and replacing the battery. So you need one of these hair dryers, and then you got the phone, and we want to remove the adhesive around it. So turn this hair dryer to the maximum, becoming hot. Turn it around the peripheral. Keep moving it. It's important that you keep moving it so that it will not become overheated at one place. Alright guys, this is after so much trying. Finally got this inside it. This is using a hair dryer, guys. Don't forget that. Not using this guitar thing, try to slide around it. I got two other stuffs. Just put them underneath it to keep the gap. Hit again. Try not to hit too much. Just enough, okay? Just enough. And that's it, guys. We got it out. Can you believe it? We got it out. Looks like this. And this is how we took it out. Take this out. Take this out. So you need to remove this adhesive from the side so that you could remove the screw. Screws are underneath this adhesive, so get this adhesive out slowly and carefully. Patience is the name of the game. Just rip it off like that. Just to be very careful. Okay, now it's bare. Start unscrewing all the screws that you can see. Okay, as you can see, you have to put it like this and just take it out. After you remove all these screws, you need to remove the last one, which is this one. So let's go ahead and remove that. So you open this bit and now you can pull it out. Gently, just pull it out. Next step is obviously to try to get the battery out. For that, so once this is pulled up, so use something like a screwdriver and then try to pull it up. Battery is a big part of this thing. So just put it out. Just came out. Oh my god, this battery is hot. It is hot. And I don't know why, but it's really hot. I think it's gone crazy, this battery. And obviously, oh my god, this is seriously hot. Seriously hot battery. My phone has been off now for a month and the battery is so hot. I just can't believe that. So, put that aside. Now, put it back the way it was. So just put it there. Connect this. This is where it gets charged. And attach all the bits and bobs, things that came out.